Hi everyone and welcome to my channel again. Long time no see, I know. So today I decided to do something slightly different than my usual tutorials and I'm gonna be showing you my bead collection. Yeah. And I'm probably gonna split this into 2 or 3 different videos because I've got so many different beads and kinds, and yeah, I don't want to bore you too much, so I'm gonna keep the videos nice and short, but hopefully it will give you an inspiration for a project, or I don't know, if you were thinking about buying any, I'm gonna let you know where I got them from. But before we start, it would be really cool if we could play a little game because I like games. I just thought it would be quite interesting and cool. So let me just tell you about this, alright? I'm gonna number each bag of beads and then it's gonna be up to you to let me know what beads to combine together, what wire I should use, if I should add a chain or a crystal. Just let your imagination run wild, guys. And then let me know a particular thing you want me to make. So let's just say, okay, I'm gonna give you an example. Let's just say you want me to make a necklace combining number 3, 5. You would like me to make it with gold wire and add chain and a crystal or whatever. It could be just nice and simple. It could be just, you know, make a ring using number 3 and 2. And I'm gonna choose one project, and then when I do the tutorial later on, I'm gonna feature the comment and the person obviously who gave me the suggestion, and let me know if you enjoy this game, because we can do it again. We can create together. Oh, so nice. Alright guys, so let's just start with this bead collection and I'll see you at the end of this video. Bye. Alright, let's bring them on. So I keep most of my beads in this archive box. It has a lid and it looks quite nice. I decided to keep my beads color-coded. That seems to work for me because when I have my creative moment, I usually have an idea of what I want to make and I can just grab a bag of the right color without being distracted by all the other colors. I can be pretty indecisive, so this is a good way for me to stay focused on my idea and I don't get distracted. Of course, there are times when I just want to look through all the colors and shapes and then think of a design, but most of the time I design it in my head first and then proceed with planning, etc. I also had to transfer all the glass beads into these resealable little bags, which I reuse all the time. I don't throw them away, since the beads come in small non-resealable bags, and it's just a pain to keep transferring them back to the little bag and seal it with a tape, undo the tape. Oh, I just can't do it. I can't be asked. So this is perfect for me. These are called cracked glass beads and they are so gorgeous, guys, believe me. Oh, and just in case you were wondering where I get these beads from, I buy them from this really great bead shop in Czechia, which is where I originally come from. So when I go on holiday to Czechia, I always visit my favorite bead shop and stock up, because they have such a nice collection of beads and chains and all sorts of stuff for jewelry making and crafts. This shop is called Korálkové hrádky, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box so you can check them out. But the downside is that they unfortunately don't ship abroad. But if you live in Czechia, go check them out. They are so helpful and I just love that shop. The good thing is though, most of the beads can be found online. If you just search for a brand called Preciosa, which is a Czech brand, you'll be able to find them elsewhere online. I also have a few beads that are wooden, like these pink ones, and I believe some black ones as well. And this bag is full of gold and silver glass beads, so when I don't want to use metal beads, I can fake it with these. Oh, and some of the beads I have, like these seed beads, only have tiny holes, so when I think of a design I always need to think what wire I'm going to be using, because not all the sizes will fit through these. So sometimes I use 2 different sizes of wire. I would use 22 gauge wire for the beads, and then my universal go-to wire, which is 20 gauge for the rest of the design, to make it more sturdy. But this obviously depends on what I'm making. Also, almost all the beads in this collection are made out of glass, and I always try to get glass, crystal or gemstone beads rather than acrylic beads. Although having said that, I do have a few that are made out of plastic, but I just don't use them that much. This is another cracked glass bead and it looks so mysterious in my opinion. I can't wait to make something with these beads. And of course, I also have some pearls in my collection. Some of them are acrylic and some are glass, and I just love working with pearls. They add a lovely vintage touch to any design. And here I keep bags with my mixed color beads, and these are great because they usually make them in colors that complement each other, and so you don't have to think about what colors you should or shouldn't combine together. It kind of gives you an idea. But to be honest with you, all the rules on the color combinations needs to be broken, or at least sometimes, and we really want to do whatever feels good to us and what we like. Don't we? Like, this is our world and no rules will mess up our imagination. Yay! These flower beads are acrylic and they have a small hole on the bottom of them. I also like to recycle my old jewellery and reuse the beads and components in other projects because, well, first of all it's fun and second of all you save money. Alrighty, that was it for my glass bead collection, and next time I'm probably gonna be showing you my gemstone beads because those are really quite nice as well. And don't forget about that game. If you skip the beginning, then please go back and watch the whole beginning where I explain the game. It was so lovely to speak to you, and I will see you next time. I love you all, and bye and have a beautiful day. Bye!